Hey, what's up, everyone? Just wanted to make a quick video and recap the week, touch on a few points that have been on my mind this morning, and let's get into this. So, basically, one thing I want to talk about, and it's been on my mind, and I actually posted this on X. And if you follow me on X, there's stuff that I post on there from time to time that I can't always get into my video reviews or my weekly reviews. So, you can follow me at the Randy Baines on X, and that's the Randy Baines. There's a link in my bio on YouTube here. But anyways, so with everything that happened yesterday with the Trump news on the tariffs, I was thinking about, overall this week has been generally a bit of a battle with FOMC on Wednesday. We had some of the Mag 7s reporting. We had that volatility Sunday into the open into Monday morning. So, it's been a tough week, but being a new trader and just finishing my first year of trading, one thing I want to say is that if you stick to your rules, you have your stop in place, you know your risk you want to take on a trade. There's going to be trades this year that are going to come up where you're going to get stopped out or you're going to make a lot of profit on Trump tweeting something. Now, these are unknown, uncontrollable conditions. So all I want to say is make sure that when you do take a loss, if you do, and it was because Trump tweeted, but you entered on a valid setup, you had your stop in the right place, you had the right amount of size on, be okay with it. It is not your fault. We're in an uncontrollable time, but if we stick to our rules and mitigate our losses, we'll come out on top. So it's just something I really wanted to touch on, whether you're a new trader, someone thinking about trading. I haven't traded through Donald Trump's last presidency, and there are some people in our community that have given us some valuable insight. So it's just something I wanted to pass on quickly in this video. And if you have any questions, please comment below, and I'll try and do my best to get back. I ended this week up $561, as you can see here. I had that loss on the two losses on Monday. Thank God I kept my size relatively small, basically 1 micro, just with the volatility and the big slide down. And we had a massive opening range, so it's a rule of mine, and I stuck to it. And I lost $250 versus normally I would have lost $1,250 if I sized up to what I trade normal size, which is 5 micros. And what happened with this smaller loss here, it enabled me to get back that loss in 2 days versus taking a massive loss here and trying to get it back all week. So that's the positive of trading with an appropriate size and market conditions. And then coming into Thursday again I took a loss in the morning. It was an unneeded loss after the fact in hindsight when I went over the DRC and looked at it. We already talked about it in a previous video, but I was able to wait patiently, find 2 more trades, get the loss back and some, which was a great end to a day. Now on Friday, similar situation, but not as bad as the first trade I took on Thursday. But I did, I got in a little early on a trade. It didn't turn around on me. I took a loss on it, but I was able to capitalize on the Trump news of the tariff coming in today. Well, basically yesterday would have been, but coming in today. It's Saturday today. I'm filming this, but with the news coming in where the market was under the assumption based on some false statement that Trump was not going to put the tariffs until March 1st. I caught a short. I locked my stop as soon as it was in profit on actually the first candle close, and then just trailed the stop aggressively. Got back the loss and some, and was good. We still had another 35-point slide down. I didn't get any more of the move. I was okay with it. I got my loss back. I doubled it basically. Ended the week up, and I'm good. So for me, this is a solid week of trading. Eventually as I get more comfortable, I will start to size up and you will see these numbers. It's all about scale. Eventually this is going to be, a $500 or $1,000 loss. These will be, $1,000 wins. So it'll stack up over time. But this is a gradual thing that's really cool about making these videos, is that you're going to get to tag along and watch me on this journey. So basically, one last thing is, this is my weekly report card that is part of the Black Shirt Club. It's a community I'm part of. Again, I can't stress it enough. If you're a new trader, find a community, find something that fits for you, and it will help you drastically. I was lucky enough to just join the Black Shirt Club when I started this trading journey instead of waiting and trying to do it on my own. I just said, if I'm going to do it, I want to put some money and invest in my education. And, it was a perfect fit. It's a great group. But like I said, there's so many groups out there. You can find something that's going to work for you. If you're curious, we have ASFX TV that streams every morning. You can do a 7-day trial of that. And see what you think. But being part of a community is huge. And so it just keeps me accountable. And I have a daily report card I fill out and a weekly report card. So yeah, basically I'm up 560 on the week. Had a solid week at the desk with some great lessons. These are my DRCs from the week Monday to Friday that have all my trades in it. A couple of things I did well this week was I sized down when we had a bigger opening range than usual, like a volatile day. I was able to be patient. I stuck to my rules. I'm still making these videos daily, which is helping me hold myself accountable. What I could have done better, again, is now on the flip side, I could have been a little bit more patient in those 2 trades that I took instead of, almost, getting in a little early and then not take full losses. This is a tough one, but when you're in a trade long enough and you see multiple exits, you should be able to get out and not take a full loss. Or if your gut's telling you to get out, get out. There's a reason your gut's telling you that. Biggest lesson for the week for me is patience. This has been a theme since I got back from the ASFX bootcamp in Dallas, and it's been something I'm working on, and I've been putting work towards it, and I can definitely see the difference. So patience is the biggest lessons for me. And then obviously I trade MES, New York session, Monday to Friday. My goal this week is to get my XFA out of drawdown. So my funded account is minus $154. It was minus, I believe, 900 and something starting. So it's good. I'm almost there, and hopefully get it back into being positive, and then work my way towards that payout, and we can track all this stuff. And I'm looking forward to that. And then just a couple things. I'm just implementing some more discipline into my trading week coming up ahead. I want to make sure I get in the gym 3 to 5 times a week. This is a big thing for me, is working out and just feeling better about myself. I want to stick to my evening ruck, which is basically a walk with miles and a carrier and a knapsack with another 10-pound dumbbell in it. Read a chapter of a book, make a daily review video. Again, this has been huge for me, just keeping me accountable, and then, getting to share this stuff with everyone else out there, which is, gives me the ability to give back, which for me is, at this stage right now, is helping me quite a bit. And then just in our community, in our Discord, in the Black Shirt Club, I want to get into, all the other members' daily report cards and offer some feedback and read them and see how they're trading and what they could be doing better, or, what they could help me with and what I could learn from them, which is also something that I can take away from reading these DRCs. So yeah, basically that's it. Just to kind of touch base on where we're at with the chart and what price action kind of looks like and what's been going on. So this was the open on Sunday afternoon, and we had this slide all the way down coming into the market open Monday morning. Since this slide, we were able to basically make higher lows and higher highs all the way up all week long. Price looked bullish. We had some pullbacks, but nothing. We're still making higher lows. So, everything's wants to be long buys, and everything's telling me it's going. So even with all this news, and I was quite surprised at the end of the day when I zoomed out on the 15-minute chart, that even with this tariff news and this massive push down here, price still failed to make a lower low. We still held this previous higher low. Very interesting. So we'll see how the market opens up on Sunday, into the overnight Sunday, into Monday morning, and we'll be telling, and we'll see if price can make a new lower low. But we'll see when we get there on Sunday, and we'll talk about it definitely on Monday. But yeah, so that's about it. Enjoy your weekend, and yeah, please click that subscribe button. Leave me some comments. Follow me on X. Follow me on Instagram. I post stuff on X from time to time as I'm in a trade or my markups. So, it's just another little interesting tidbit into this journey. So enjoy your weekend again, and I will catch all you guys Monday. Thank you.